Hi art starters, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make another art journal page using our Gelliplate prints, but in a very different way than we did last time. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, so another Gelliplate print that, it's okay, but I don't love it. So what I can use this one for though is collage material. And you can just basically start ripping wherever you like. Making different shapes and start sticking it again with some soft gel matte. Use a palette knife in this case and just start putting it in a few places in our journals, making sure that we get it both underneath and on top of. Make sure I had it the right way up then. It's always good if you can get a collage to meet the edges. It doesn't have to, but it just when we're using it like this, it gives us some structure to our page. Doesn't matter what the shape is, you don't have to repeat the shapes in this. What we're looking for in our design elements with the collage is texture, colour and movement. And I probably should have used a brush, but anyway, there we go. 1, 2, 3, let's do 5 pieces. There we go. What the hell, we'll use it all. Put it in here as well. And that's the thing, just play at this stage. It's no mistakes. You can't make a mistake at this point, because you can always correct anything with your next layer. And if you haven't used one before, this is a wedge. It's a catalyst wedge. It's the company that made it. These are great for making sure that your papers are really well attached and they get rid of any wrinkles that are left as well, and any excess of your gel matte will pick that up as well. That's a really good way just to make sure that your papers are really well attached. Okay, so when you've got your papers out that you like and they've dried, look at the papers that you've used, look at the colours that you've used, and I want you to repeat one of the colours out of your paper into your background, and that way your papers will become part of the whole painting. They'll be cohesive. So what I've done is I quite like this peachy orange colour. I've just mixed a bit of the Pebeo orange with some gesso over here in a pile, and I'm just going to quickly paint that onto my background. Sort of joining up with my papers, going over the edges just a little bit, just to incorporate them into my background, but I don't want to cover them up. Now, you can see if I just do this all over, it's going to look pretty boring. So what I might do as well, just to give it a bit of variety, is put a bit of white out on its own, and pick a bit of white up and blend that in a few places just to give variety and texture. So looking at this now, you can see how using that peach colour, this piece of paper is really blended in, but now this yellow is really sticking out. So I'm going to have to incorporate that in somewhere in my painting for the page to look balanced. So I'm just going to use my tattered threads stencil, a bit of the same yellow, and a sponge, and coming around the edges of these, blend this colour in along the edge and then just letting it blend out as we go further away. And it's starting to incorporate the colour but also the texture, and it's getting those pages to sit more into the background. And I might, no I will, get some gesso out, do it with a bit of white as well. That'll blend with the yellow that's already on my sponge. So I get a few different tints of that yellow. You see, I'm still leaving the orange underneath, but I'm also incorporating and joining the pattern up. I'm going to do the whole page, just in parts. Like that. If we just look at the page now, we can see that the pink's kind of blended in, the yellow has blended in, and now what grabs your eye? It's this turquoisey blue colour that's standing out now. So we can either leave that like it is because it is balanced on the page, or we could bring that again from the background into the foreground with the stencil. So I've got that pattern stencil, and I need, what is it, blue green, wasn't it? Green, a bit of blue. There we go. Oops. Yeah. Same colour, a fresh sponge, because blue and orange will give us, I'm sorry, blue and yellow will give us too much green, and we want this blue green. So we'll use this pattern again, just in a few places now, because this is a strong colour. You can see it's deeper in value. It's going to draw our eye a lot more, so we don't want to go overboard with this. It's balanced now. Okay. Now, on all this leftover paint, of course, you can just turn to a page where, such as this one, and just put it on there. And that'll be a background that we can use for another painting, another journal page. So this background's dried now, and looking at it, I think I want to put a face on here. So I'm just going to grab my Stabilo pencil and we'll draw a face freehand. Probably over on this side of the page. This kind of reminds me of a cheekbone, and there's a little bit of an eyebrow I can see there. So I'm going to start drawing a face here, just really loosely. Look at that as the cheekbone, going down to the chin, coming up this way. This could be a neck here. Okay, so we divide the face up, down the middle, and then down the middle again. Divide the head up, and that's how we draw a face. So if we divide that down the middle, and again, our eyes will be somewhere here. Let's just draw them really loosely. And a really simple nose is just a handlebar nose. So down, up, down, like that. Da, we've got a nose. And some lips. Just usually draw the top lip, like so. And a darker line. And then just suggest the bottom lip, like so. And because the top lip turns under, it's always darker. So just give that a little bit of shading, and then the chin bump. Some eyebrows in. Now we could leave it just as simple as that. She probably needs an ear about. Ears are usually level with the eyes, and come down to the nose. She's got an ear like that. And then we just leave this all loose so I get a suggestion of hair. So to do the eyes, I'll just even them up to start with. You want to leave a highlight, or we can paint it in later as well. So let's put it so she's looking that way. So that's our highlight. She looks a bit freaked out at the moment, but it's okay. We'll just do a really simple eye. We'll just fill that in. Make the top darker. So, eyebrow. Like that. And then we'll get a paintbrush and a bit of water on it like we did before with our birds, and just wet that. Give a bit of definition. Ears have a Y inside them. It's the quickest way to draw an ear. And that's a very simple face. Just leaving that highlight there. And just touch that. There we go. A really simple face drawn over a background. You could add to this, you could, you know, colour the eyes. We could always put a white highlight in here as well. We could add some more definition down the side of her nose. I just wanted to show you a really simple face so that you can start with that as well. And then we're going to put the word over here. So let me think about it for a second. I'll be back. This is my I will stencil. I think I'm just going to put in I will create. Just using a bit of black free flow. Just fluid acrylic. And a sponge. Put out way too much, I think. There we go, and our page is finished. Oh, it's not finished, you know what I'm like. Have a look at it and go, oh, hang on, let's give it a little bit more. Just want to emphasize a hairline here, so I don't know if I do or not. Let's just give us some hair off that way, like that. And I think I'm going to do some scribble writing, some journaling, so fill this in here. I love creating with my art starters every day and twice on Sunday. There we go. Just wet that hair there too. And if I wanted to, I could just run a little bit of water through that. And I'm done. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button if you enjoyed that video for more of my ArtStart art classes. And until next time, may your days be filled with art and your nights be filled with love. And remember to get your art started with ArtStart. For more information, check out the links below. See ya!